Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the different rules of using the. There are many rules, but the rules which have been given in your book you must follow. First of all, rule number 1, the is the definite article. We have to use it before a noun whenever we want to make it particular. That means we all know, I have already discussed that the is called definite article, and we should use the before a noun whenever we want to make it specific, definite or particular. For example, the train by which I came. That means here I am talking about not any train. I am talking about only that train, that particular train by which I came. Similarly, the books I usually read, the information I received, the mercy the king showed, etc. Thereafter, rule number 2, we use the with a noun that has already been mentioned. Note here, when for the first time we mention a noun, we generally don't use the, and in that place we generally use a or an. For example, I got a camera and a watch as birthday presents. Here a camera, a watch, because it is not specific, and I am going to mention it for the first time, that's why. But when I am saying the watch is beautiful but the camera doesn't click, here the watch, the camera, because watch and camera are those nouns that have already been mentioned, that have already mentioned earlier. Thereafter, rule number 3, we use the when it is clear from the situation which people or things we mean. From the situation it is clear which people or which thing we want to refer. Then we can use the. For example, the principal is taking a round of the school. The principal means the principal, and of the school means of our school. That means here from the situation it is very clear which people or which thing we want to refer. Thereafter, rule number 4, we use the with superlatives. We all know that adjective and adverb have 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative, like tall, taller, tallest. Tall positive degree, taller comparative degree, and tallest superlative degree. And generally, as a rule, we use the definite article the before the superlative degree. For example, the brightest star in the sky. Bright, brighter, brightest, superlative, that's why the is used. Thereafter, rule number 5, we use the with such phrases as immediately single out or specify a person or object. Note here, we use the with such phrases as immediately single out or specify a person or object. For example, the first building. That means here I am not talking about any other building. The first building, that means I am specifying it, specifying a particular object. Similarly, the last day. Similarly, the same pen, like this. Thereafter, Rule number 6, we use the with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. When a common noun stands for a whole class or represents a whole class, then also we can use the before a common noun. For example, the donkey is a beast of burden. Here, the donkey means all donkeys. Similarly, the cow feeds on grass. The cow means all cows. Thereafter, rule number 7, we use the when there is only one of something, when there is something unique like earth, moon, sun, sky, equator, north pole, east, west, etc. That rule is very common. We all know that we use the before those nouns which are only one of their kind, like that means which are unique. For example, the sun shines over the north pole for 6 months. The north pole, the sun. Similarly, the equator divides the earth into two hemispheres, the earth, the equator, etc. Unique or only one of their kind. Thereafter, we use the with the names of. With these names, we use the. For example, we use the before the names of rivers. For example, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari, etc. We use the before the names of seas and oceans like the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. We also use the before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Aravallis, the Vindhyas, etc. But here one thing you should remember, when we refer to only one single mountain, then we don't use the before them. For example, Mount Everest. We can't say the Mount Everest, but we can say the Himalayas, because Himalayas are mountain ranges, but Mount Everest is a single mountain. That's why the should not be used before those nouns when we want to refer them as a single mountain. But when mountain ranges are meant, then the should be used before them. Thereafter, we should use the before the names of holy books like the Gita, the Quran, etc. The holy books, the religious books, etc. The Bible, etc. We can use the before the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. For example, the Shatabdi Express, the Ashoka, etc. The Dakota aeroplanes. Thereafter, we can use the before the names of newspapers. For example, the Indian Express, the Statesman, the Hindu, the Telegraph, etc. We can use the before the names of well-known buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple, the Writers Building, etc. Thereafter, we should use the before the names of countries if the name contains a common noun. We can use the before the names of those countries if the name of the countries contains a common noun. For example, look here, the USA, that means the United States of America. Here states, it is common noun, that's why we can use the before USA. Similarly, we can use the UK, that means the United Kingdom. Kingdom, it is a common noun, that's why we can use the before it. Thereafter, we can use the before the surnames to mean the whole families. For examples, the Gandhis, that means all the Gandhis who have the title Gandhi. Similarly, the Khans, the Sens, etc. Thereafter, next rule, rule number 9, we use the with adjectives when those adjectives are used as nouns. When any adjectives are used as noun, we can use the before those adjectives. But also remember here and here, these adjectives act as a plural noun. For example, law should be fair to the lucky as well as to the unlucky. Here, the lucky means the lucky people and the unlucky means the unlucky people. Similarly, there should be equal opportunities for both the rich and the poor. Here, the rich means the rich people and the poor means the poor people. Thereafter, rule number 10, note the use of the in the following sentences. The more, the merrier, the nearer the church, the further from God. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Petrol is sold by the liter. There are some particular phrases like by the dozen, by the liter. Here, the is used, and also when two comparative degrees are used together, we should use the before each of them. For example, the more, the merrier. Similarly, the nearer the church, the further from God. Similarly, we can say the more we get, the more we want, like this. Thereafter, rule number 11, we say go to the cinema, the theater, etc. We often go to the theater, but I haven't been to the cinema for a long time. We usually say the radio but television without the. These are common expression. When we say we use the radio but we don't use the generally before television. These are common uses. Similarly, I often go to the theater but I haven't been to the cinema. Here I am using theater, cinema, I am using the before it. And also remember, we can use the before radio, but generally the television we don't use, but in some special cases we can use. Thereafter, note the use of the in the following expressions. Thereafter, you should note this type of particular expressions where we generally use the. On the one hand, to read in the original. On the other hand, to speak the truth, to play the sitar, generally musical instruments. The is also used before the names of musical instrument like the violin, the sitar, etc. Thereafter, point number G, articles with proper nouns. I have already said that generally we cannot use article, particularly the, before a proper noun. I have already said. But in some special cases, we can use article before a proper noun. As a rule, a proper noun does not need an article. For example, Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Mumbai is the biggest city of India. Here we cannot say a Shakespeare, the Mumbai. Generally, it is not right. However, if a proper noun is used like a common noun, it may need a, an, or the with it. But we should remember that if a proper noun is used as a common noun, only then we can use an article before that noun, because at that time that proper noun is changed to a common noun according to their use. For example, we need a Gandhi to solve our problems. Here a Gandhi, it is right. Similarly, Sachin Tendulkar is the Bradman of India. The Bradman, it is also here right. In the first sentence, a Gandhi means a man who is as wise or as great as Gandhi. That means a man who has the same qualities like Gandhi. And in the second sentence, the Bradman means the player of Bradman's ability. That means a player who has the same ability like Bradman. Okay, dear students, today up to this. In my next classes, I will start from omission of articles.